Hello everyone. Today we want to show you guys how is the life in the wild. Nature is beautiful. The natural world is full of stunning scenery, from snow-capped mountains to lush rainforests. The beauty of nature can be awe-inspiring and uplifting. Brave boy, after the long naps, he feels so hungry. He need food for survive, that is the life. So now he goes to get some food as possible as he can find. Guess what food he can get today? He walked through to the pond. He is a smart boy, he can survive by his own hand. Look at this, he gets some snail for his fantastic meal. Everyone can learn and experience as our brave boy. Nature is peaceful. Spending time in nature can help to reduce stress and anxiety. The sounds of birdsong, the gentle breeze, and the rustling leaves can be very calming. Nature is refreshing. Being in nature can help to clear your head and give you a new perspective on life. The fresh air, the sunshine, and the open spaces can be very invigorating. He cleaned the snail. Nature is educational. There is so much to learn about the natural world. You can learn about different plants and animals, how they interact with each other, and how they are adapted to their environment. Our boy breaks down the dry wood for his own cooking. He will make a campfire to cook his meal. The natural world has inspired artists, writers, and musicians for centuries. It can also inspire us to be more creative and to appreciate the beauty of the world around us. These are just a few of the reasons why people love nature. Spending time in nature can have a positive impact on our physical and mental health, and it can help us to appreciate the beauty of the world around us. Nature is full of beauty and wonder, and it can inspire us to create art, music, and literature. Nature is a great place to run, jump, climb, and explore. It can help us to stay active and have fun. So now his fantastic meal is done. Everyone come and join us with snails and chili sauce. Nature can teach us about the world around us, including the plants, animals, and ecosystems that we share it with. It's a place to connect with others. Spending time in nature can help us to connect with our loved ones, our community, and the natural world. It's a place to find peace and tranquility. Nature can help us to relax and de-stress, and it can provide us with a sense of peace and tranquility. Nature is a gift, and we should all do our part to protect it. Our video is going to the end. If everyone want to see how is the life in the nature, so please click subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page for the next video. Thank you.